on the Culininja, we are going to be making teriyaki shrimp stir fry. Today on the Culininja, we're going to be making teriyaki shrimp stir fry, and my dog will not be quiet. Do you want all of the attention? You cannot know.
That's why it's called the Bay and Beak Show.
We're not doing that show right now. We're doing the Culininja. Wrong show, buddy. Wrong show. Do I look okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Absolutely.
Should I put my hair down for this?
You look absolutely. Let's
do that.
Let's just keep going.
Let's just put the hair down.
Let's just keep rolling like natural talking, like the camera isn't
ready?
here.
Okay. Today on the Culininja, we're gonna get a close up. Yeah, you like that? We're going to be making teriyaki shrimp stir fry. Oh. And I'll have the voice sometimes and sometimes no. I don't know. It could change. By the end of the show, I might be Italian. You never know what happens here. Hey, que pasa? And we're going to hit our pan with some vegetable oil. Okay? That is not on yet, though. We're not turning that baby on yet. These are our ingredients as a whole. And I've got, like I said, my water is going and it's almost on the verge of boiling, which is fine because we have not put our pasta in yet. And we're going to go ahead and cut up our broccoli florets. So, just like so. Hey, hey, and hey, and a hey, and a hey, and a haw. That's the sound I make when I break my broccoli. Chinese noodles. I'm just using medium egg noodles. You could use pretty much any type of noodle you want as far as like long, thin. You could use angel hair, you could use spaghetti. Just because you assume it's maybe for an Italian dish, that doesn't mean you can't use it in an Asian dish. Noodles are versatile. We're using noodles. Cutting the garlic. It is a very simple process. You simply take it and you pound it and you peel it. Take, pound, and peel. That's the garlic way. Take, pound, and peel, and you could use that motto throughout life. We're gonna take it and pound it and peel it. Yeah! Take, pound, and peel. Take, pound, and peel. You know the deal. Take, pound, and peel. Our heat over here on medium. A little over medium. We're at about a 6 to a 7 over on our garlic. And I'm going to be adding my shrimp in just about a minute. I just want my garlic to kind of start to get hit a little bit. Our noodles are almost done. We need to finish up our vegetables. Any bell pepper, or really any vegetables. You don't have to. We're doing bell pepper, mushrooms, and broccoli. But you could really be unique and you could go with like some zucchini if you wanted to. You could even do an eggplant. We're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp to our pan. So we're checking the pasta, and I just from doing that I can already tell it's pretty soft. Oh yeah, we're done. Okay, so with shrimp, you do not want to overcook shrimp. So I'm kind of keeping a really close eye on this. I'm neglecting my vegetables just for the moment because I don't want to overcook these babies. Make sure all of that translucent gray stuff that you see here, if you can see those gray little veins, you don't want that. You want all that to be nice and pink. So we're almost done. Don't want to overdo it. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables now and turn down my heat. Broccoli florets. Instead of soy sauce, we're actually going to use this organic cocoa aminos. This you can get at Trader Joe's. I got this from Sprouts. I don't know if Target and Walmart offer this just yet. If they don't, they will. Because as you probably have heard, soy sauce is not the best for you because of all the sodium and the soy. This tastes just like it. Just like it. It is a touch sweeter, I will say, but if you are simply using soy sauce in a recipe with other ingredients, I think that this is an excellent alternative if you want to do something more healthy. We're gonna put 1/4 of a cup, and you can even tell the consistency is almost identical to soy sauce. I've got this on pretty low heat too, guys, so just FYI, and I am gonna add a few more mushrooms. Because the more you cook your vegetables, they're gonna shrink to an extent. Back to the sauce. So we've got our soy sauce in. We're gonna do a teaspoon of ground, well, it says minced ginger. I don't have minced ginger, I just have ground. So I'm gonna eyeball it, and that's about a teaspoon. Again, it said to do minced garlic, but I'm gonna do ground, or I'm sorry, garlic powder. Just right like that. And if it's a little bit more, it's fine. It's not gonna be a problem at all. Just don't go too crazy. All right, we're gonna do just a little bit of our red pepper flake. This isn't baking. That's the beauty of cooking. It's the beauty of cooking. You can kind of get away with not having everything precise. All of your measurements and stuff don't have to be absolutely exact depending on what you're cooking. This, you can kind of have a little fun. I really love sesame seed oil. So, because I do so love it so much, I'm gonna add just a little. Now, maybe I won't because I can't seem to open it. This stuff you do not want to use much because this will overpower a recipe in a quickness, I found. A splash. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I just want a little bit of a sesame touch, and that's it. I mean, you can't smell it, but if you ever buy this, guys, it's so good, but it is very overpowering. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. 1, 2. And then 1 cup of water. And then we're gonna take our whisk. Oh yeah. And then we're just gonna pour that all up in there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was another installment of the Culininja. Subscribe. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of them. So trusting. That is my dog. He knows I will not harm him. Culininja, Culininja, coming at you, Culininja, Culininja.